Kinton Ramen is my go-to ramen place in Toronto.
I feel like I was transported back to Japan. It's the ultimate comfort food.
Shoyu karaage ramen!
Slurp it up.
Oh, yeah.
I love the Summit Cafe. It's like an upscale diner in a small town.
Spicy shrimp grilled cheese and lasagna soup.
I've never had lasagna in soup form.
If they sold it by the bucket, they'd have a lineup all the way from here to Winnipeg.
Kokum's, family restaurant.
Oh, I love the Kokum's burger.
We do everything with the barbeque, sweet or savory.
It's deep fried, so you can't go wrong with that.
I'm John Catucci. Listen, I'm no chef, but I know great food when I eat it. And these joints are cooking it right. That's why I'm telling you, you gotta eat here.
Ramen might just be the ultimate comfort meal. This famous Japanese soup has everything. Rich meaty broth, soft noodles, and a big bowl to slurp from. If you've only had packaged ramen in your university dorm, Toronto's Kinton Ramen is gonna change your life. Let's get slurping!
You gotta eat here because it's so delicious.
Unique, flavorful. I was blown away.
Better alternative than a burger or a pizza.
Pork miso ramen!
Best bowl of soup slash stew slash noodles you've ever had in your life.
I felt like I was transported back to Takamaras in Japan. And then, of course, you have that Japanese welcome.
It definitely makes you feel at home.
It's just like one of those comfort foods.
You're having a rough day, it's cold outside, go for ramen.
What if it's hot outside?
Get the cold ramen.
Masala ramen!
It's a vegetarian ramen. It's a little bit different than the normal one.
It's more like salad. Makes me feel good.
How long have you been coming to Kinton Ramen?
Maybe a year and a half?
How many bowls have you done?
69 bowls.
69 bowls in a year and a half.
Yeah.
That's insane.
This is the chicken miso ramen for like beginner ramen eaters.
It's like chicken noodle soup on steroids.
Miso chicken ramen!
Chicken, fresh vegetable, jammed into a bowl.
Just jam it right into a bowl. First, we're making the chicken broth. Okay, and so you have different kinds of chicken.
That's right, chicken feet. So,
Whole chicken feet and the skin add a sweetness for the chicken broth.
that's right.
How long does it cook for?
6 hours.
Now what are we gonna do?
Miso paste,
Japanese pepper.
white sesame, sake, vinegar, chili pepper, sea salt, soy sauce, tobanjan.
What is that?
Chinese spices.
Grated garlic.
Mirin, vinegar, sugar, Japanese sweet rice wine.
Yep.
Grated ginger, butter, Granny Smith apple,
Granny Smith.
fish broth. 3 kind of miso paste. Red miso, white miso. This is a rice miso.
A rice miso.
Koji. Miso.
Koji.
Yes.
Okay, and miso flavor is,
Fermented soybean paste.
it's very thick.
Sesame oil.
This miso paste is something that gets added to the chicken broth.
That's right, later. Yeah.
I'm hungry. Will you make me some ramen?
Of course.
麺にありますわっしょい
Washoy, washoy!
Miso paste, chicken broth.
Melting the miso in the soup, yeah.
Let them swim into a soup. Grounded chicken, sweet white onion, scallion, nori.
Seaweed paper, yeah. Chicken breast.
Miso, chicken ramen.
Nice.
You just start putting it in your mouth and you don't stop until it's gone.
The chicken is just so perfectly moist.
See if I can do the slurp. You got all the flavor of traditional chicken soup. Perfect balance. Got some saltiness, it's a bit sweet, but then you've got this fermented flavor from the miso. It's very smooth. The noodles still have a bite, like a pasta.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
Love Kinton Ramen, they make you feel at home.
It's like an open table concept.
Because the kitchen is part of the setting. You get to see them make everything. And
Spicy jalapeno chicken ramen!
Very spicy?
Actually, no. It's a nice slow spice.
Takoyaki!
Pieces of octopus that are deep fried. I absolutely love the Japanese mayonnaise.
Aki, he's very passionate about the food. I think that's what makes it so good.
Original pork belly ramen!
Love the egg. I love to break it open and let it run into the broth. Delicious.
Original pork belly ramen. Now we have pork belly. What's in the broth?
Pork bones, pork head, pork feet.
Wow, that cooks down for how long?
2 hours.
Now this is ready to get marinated.
That's right. Salt, rice vinegar, soy sauce.
Soy sauce. And then the pork goes in,
Yes, marinate for 2 hours.
and then you slice it before service?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what's the next step?
Original flavor.
Gets added to the broth.
That's right. Sea sauce, rice wine vinegar.
Okay.
Soy sauce, Japanese mirin, sake, fish broth, shiitake mushroom.
And that's ready to be used.
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
Season eggs.
And mirin is a
Sweet rice wine, yes.
sweet rice wine. Okay.
Soy sauce, sake.
So you wait for a boil, and then you pour it over the eggs?
That's right.
So I can eat soon.
Yes. Wasoi!
Washai, washai!
Original seasoning.
Pork fat. Is it good for you?
Digestion.
Oh, it is? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know this. I should be eating more of it then.
Bean sprout, 20 seconds.
This is the pork broth.
Yes. Let them steam into the soup. Bean sprout.
Pork belly, low torch it.
Yeah. Seasoned egg, again, scallion.
This is your?
Original pork belly ramen.
And when you eat that first bit of the pork, it's just like, oh, you came to the right place for lunch.
Broth is made to perfection. It's delicious comfort food.
Slurp it up.
Oh, wow. So deep in flavor. You taste that pork right away. Rich, but warm. Some pork belly, right? Oh, wow. It's very tender. Gets the nice crispy bits, too. Now, the egg, look at that. Oh, that's nice. The marinade gets right into that egg. That's really, really yummy.
Whatever they're doing, it works. I was never able to recreate it at home, ever.
Yes.
Original extra pork ramen.
So it's basically 3 times regular portion of the pork.
Oh, jeez.
Spicy garlic pork belly ramen.
Can you finish this bowl?
No problem.
So you're a bowler?
Yeah, over 90.
90 bowls.
Yeah.
Shoyu karaage ramen.
Japanese fried chicken, and they put that in the ramen instead of the pork.
It's like so perfectly moist. One of my favorite foods at Kinton.
So you put fried chicken
Fried chicken.
on ramen?
Yes.
That's good. So now this is the sauce for that.
That's right. Soy sauce, seaweed extract, sweet vinegar, sake, sea salt.
This is the marinade that we made for the pork belly.
Yes. Then white miso, carrots, onion, garlic, scallion, ginger.
This just comes up to a boil.
Yes, and then stimulated about 2 hours.
What are we doing now?
Karaage means the fried chicken. Marinated in the shoyu, sake, and vinegar, garlic, ginger.
And then it goes into some flour before it gets deep fried?
Yeah, flour and cornstarch and some spices.
Are they secret?
Yes, please.
Are there 11 herbs and spices
Oh,
in there?
not that much, but
Okay.
yeah.
What kind of chicken are you using here?
Oh, with the dark meat.
With the skin on?
Yeah.
That's where the flavor is, right?
Yeah.
So you take it out after 4 minutes?
Take it- yeah.
You drop it down again?
Yes, okay.
Double fry. Karaji, karaji.
Karaage.
That's all I got. I don't know much Japanese, but I got that. White pepper, the shoyu soy sauce base.
This is pork balls. Noodle time. Bean sprout, karaage, nori, scallion. Shoyu karaage ramen.
This is so good.
The chicken is so tender. It's amazing. Feels like heaven in a bowl.
Gorgeous noodles. The shoyu in that pork broth adds a nice saltiness from all the soy that's in there. The karaage. It's still crispy, nice and juicy. And there's a sweetness from the mirin. You get the ginger flavor all through there. How did I do with the slurping?
Getting me better.
That's very good. Kokone tame!